The RoboDK plugin for Rhino allows you to combine Rhino's CAD modeling software with RoboDK to program industrial robots. Robot programs can be generated directly from a group of curves, points, or NC programs, such as G-code or APT files. With the RoboDK plugin, you can program more than 300 robots from 30 different robot manufacturers for your digital creations. In RoboDK, you can easily define the location of your reference frames to define the location of your parts with respect to the robot. You can also create or load new robot tools and have one or more reference frames. It's possible to calibrate your tools and define the reference frames in RoboDK. You can export 3D models from Rhino to RoboDK with just a few steps for robot simulation and offline programming. Industrial robots can be easily programmed like 5-axis machines for manufacturing applications such as drilling, welding, 3D printing, or robot machining. With RoboDK software, you can easily generate error-free programs, avoiding robot singularities, axis limits, and collisions. In this example, we use a KUKA robot with a milling spindle. You can quickly see if the path can be reached by your robot. For example, if the part is too far, the tool will be displayed in red. If all points in the path are reachable by the robot, the toolpath will be displayed in green. Displaying the robot workspace can also be helpful to define the optimal location of your part. Additional settings allow you to control the behavior of the robot along the path. For example, since we use a 6-axis robot for a 5-axis manufacturing operation, a rotation around the cutter axis may help the robot to better follow the path. You can also move the tool to your desired position so that you can teach the desired tool orientation. In this case, RoboDK will try to keep the same orientation for the whole path. You can hold the Alt key to move the robot or a reference frame in the station. It's possible to create multiple programs in the same simulation. You can easily teach new robot positions, called targets, to create new movements. In this example, we show how to create a main program that safely moves to an approach position and then follows the toolpath defined in Rhino. If required, you can easily create new programs and add program instructions, such as program calls, interact with digital inputs and outputs, or apply a tolerance for rounding the corners. With RoboDK, you can also integrate and synchronize external axes, such as a turntable and linear track. You can also have multiple robots in the same simulation working together. You can activate collision checking to see if your program is free of collisions. If you detect a collision, you can quickly modify your approach and retract movements to avoid it. For example, in this case, we can add a vertical approach and retract to avoid collisions. Once the simulation is ready and we have the desired result, we can generate the robot program offline with just a few clicks. In this case, since we use a KUKA robot, we'll obtain SRC program files. Different post-processors are available to support different controllers and programming styles. You can generate all programs at once by pressing the F6 key. You can also choose if you want to define the targets in the Cartesian space or the robot joint space. Installing the RoboDK plugin for Rhino can be achieved with just a few steps using our installer package. The Help section on our website provides more information about the plugin and RoboDK. The RoboDK plugin for Rhino also includes Grasshopper components. For more tutorials, visit our website at robodk.com.